Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Nowsite's latest deal promotion that they got going on for February, and it's a small one because it's actually going to end February 7th, as you can see right here. So what they're doing is for February, because with the whole launch, well, it hasn't launched yet, but it's still in beta of the Nowsite being powered by Chat GPT 3 at that. They're actually doing something. Not really doing any discounts this time for this month, but they are doing that you can get early access to the AI powered websites, and you can also get one free custom domain. And if you're wondering, oh, that's pretty cool. Yes, it's a custom domain. Like if you went to GoDaddy and pick your own domain out, same way you can actually have them pick it up for you, and then boom, you'll have a custom domain. So yes, so you're looking at for that right there, you are looking at for Nowsite Marketing $49 a month, excuse me, or $480 a year. And with Nowsite Unlimited, I highly recommend that, $99 a month or $984 a year. Now that is seems like it could be a lot, but hey, the software is actually worth it. Trust me. I use it nonstop. I swear by it when it comes to marketing my business online, because it has everything that it has included with it: website builders, unlimited landing pages, websites, sales funnels, capture pages, email marketing, SMS marketing, analytics, social marketing. Social media marketing. There we go. Lose my head. I don't know how that missed me right there. But yes, with everything that's going on with there, that's what you get right there. And it's pretty cool. Now, to get that deal, you do have to use a promo code. When you go to log out, or I should say log in, not log in, check out? Yeah, check out. There we go. To check out, you actually put in the promo code section the word SITE. Use the code SITE, SITE, and that will give you the early access to the AI powered websites and the one free custom domain. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You get that right there. I think it's a great deal, just for a fact that I recently had somebody ask me, hey, do they host the domain for you? So they actually go ahead and get it for you and set you up. So that's pretty cool. So that's what's going on now. So this month, they're revving everything up with the whole AI, and they are actually they just got done showing a demo that's of the AI infused or powered website builder that they have. Basically, Chat GPT is building your website. If you want to see that, you can actually do that right here. Just click on that link right there, and that'll take you to a video so you can watch it right there. And what else? I think that's it for right now. But they're doing a lot of good stuff with the AI, the Chat GPT 3, by integrating everything into that one. They're being the first online marketing service that suite that offers that Chat AI with it. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, guys, I mean, what else they got going on with this one? This is the same thing I already said, just a different web flyer. Oh, if you actually want to make some money with them, you by referring it, say you actually get going and you like it, they are doing a cash bonus. And $100 instant cash bonus paid on every Nowsite Unlimited monthly or annual site. So you actually get $100 on top of that. Your commissions too, and $50 instant cash bonus paid on every Nowsite marketing monthly. So for annual sale. So and that sale ends on the 7th as well, or that promotion ends on the 7th as well. So huge opportunity to make some money. If yes, you're buying it, but then you can actually make your money back and tenfold. So if you're interested in that, they do have an affiliate program that you can actually refer. I actually have one too. I take part of it in their affiliate program. You'll see me on YouTube a lot about Nowsite. So, because I actually use it and I like it. So with that, even if they didn't have a affiliate program, I still use it too. So with that, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. If you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comment below. the comment section below. I will answer those. I am very active when it comes to my YouTube channel. Also, if you need to, you can also text me or call me. My number's in the description below as well. Oh, do me a favor. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, go ahead and hit that big red button below. And right next to it is a little bell. Hit that little bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will see a notification saying, hey, Ryan Depaul just put out a new video. You like this last one? So you might want to check out this one too, because it gives you some good value. So go ahead and do that in 3, 2, 1. Appreciate that. So yes, you'll be getting more content of mine going on in the future. So with that, I'm going to wrap this up. So yeah, guys, so until the next one, take care, be safe, don't wait, hop on this deal, and be blessed. Take care.